Hello guys, greetings. I hope you are doing well. I want to show you how you can change your router. So I received my router today. That's it. It's the broadband Technicolor router. Okay, so what we're going to do is to fix this up. Okay, so I can fix this up. This is to plug it up. Okay. See, Technicolor router. The filter. So now to plug this up, you need to replace this one router. You need to replace this to the much newer one. Okay, how do you do that? We first of all connect the router to the power. Plug it at the back here. Okay, then take this off. Now we plug this one. Okay. The next thing to do is take the cable from there and plug it on this one, on the black one. So take it off from here and plug it back in here. Okay, now it's plugged on. Then next thing to do is there's on and off button here. So you press on, the power is on here. As you can see, this is how to change the router. Okay. So now to change the microfill, all we need to do is this one. You can see it and change it to this one here. Okay, and take this one off and plug it. Okay. So guys, I just thought to show you how this works. Okay, this is how to fix it. It's green light, the power is there. Okay, so guys, Technicolor router. You can see the broadband is back on. Wireless is on. Power. Okay guys. Technicolor router. This is how you can fix this up and set it by yourself. So guys, this is how to do it. Yeah. Technicolor router. Technicolor router. I just replace it to there. So I just need to configure it so we can get internet working. Okay guys, the internet is on. Yeah. Alright guys, I gotta go. Take care. I just show you how you can do this by yourself, or you can then, if you want to put this, you can actually put it on this way. Okay guys, thank you very much. That's how you can set the router in your home. Thank you, and take care.